The Copyright Act grants 6 specific rights to music. These are the rights which the composers and authors of the copyrights have and can file in a court of law. These rights secure their originality to the tune. One of the first rights is the right to reproduce the copyrighted work in copies or phono records. This means that you have all of the rights to take an original recording or piece of music and to copy it and distribute it. Another right that the copyright owner has is to prepare derivative works based upon the copyright work. A derivative work is a work that uses part of a copyrighted material and puts it in conjunction with a new piece. The author can do this and create as many different types of works with what they have from the original work.